We're out here. There's Shadow. We're out here for our walk, and it's a beautiful day. If I stop crunching leaves, I don't know if you can hear all the birds, but yeah, there's a ton of birds out here. I think there's a couple flocks of robins, crows, woodpeckers. The birds are very busy out here today. So I'm guessing that means there's a change in the weather. Something's coming, so we're gonna keep an eye out for that. I do believe there is rain chance in the forecast for this week. So, random fact, or I don't know if it's a fact, but a random thing, take notice of what the animals are doing during the day, morning, like what time of the day the animals are doing things, because it'll tell you how the day is going to go, weather, like concerning weather. So just a little interesting tidbit you can think about and notice what the animals are doing and see how it coincides with the weather that you get for the day.